Hi, I'm Dr. Sulata Shenoy, psychologist and director, Turning Point, Center for Psychological Assessments, Therapies and Counseling, Jayanagar, Bengaluru. I'm hoping you're all safe and healthy and you're at home and everything is fine. But unfortunately, if one of us has been infected and or advised home quarantine, then we really need to take it seriously. So please do not take the guidelines given for quarantine lightly. We have to follow each and every guideline that's given to the T, and no shortcuts. And do not think that if I don't do it, it's okay, I am strong, or I have these immunity builders and somebody told me that I can get away with drinking milk or having ginger or garlic or haldi. Please do that as an adjunct to the treatment you have been advised or the guidelines or the protocol that you have to follow. So there are no shortcuts, and that is one thing that we need to understand first before going into how we feel about it. Now most of us would resent it, most of us would feel that this is a barrier to our freedom or our privacy or our any needs that we might have, and we might question that why should we go into quarantine. Okay, I am not having such severe symptoms, I am fine, I just did a little bit of travel and I came back, so it doesn't mean I have to sit in my room whole day and I am just going mad sitting at home. These are kind of the things that the mind feeds on us. Now you need to take stock of whether if you follow the guidelines you are going to certainly get back on your feet sooner or later, and it's just a matter of biding time. So being patient, okay, and looking at what are the things that you can do in quarantine, I think these are the things that we really need to follow. So instead of falling prey to anxiety, boredom or depression, it would do you good to have a kind of a structure at what time you're going to get up, okay, what you're going to do throughout the day. And if you have something that you can do your work from home and alone, then that's great, probably you can continue. But if you don't and you have nothing to do the whole day, I suggest you fill it up with activities which you probably wanted to. Maybe you always wanted to learn music, or maybe you always wanted to write that book, or you wanted to read something, or you wanted to write letters to your children and grandchildren, or you wanted to listen to songs, or you wanted to learn an instrument. So these are the things that we can, with the help of technology, be doing even in quarantine. And if we do that, I think day doesn't stretch as wearisome as when we are left idle. So idle mind is a devil's workshop. So make sure that even in quarantine, you are not left completely idle and goalless. So good luck, and in case you have to be in quarantine, then take it as a temporary measure and you will be back good health in no time.